Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing well, and let's get right into today's video. So this is a package from Born Pretty that they sent me to try out their product. It's just like another one from the previous videos that I made with their polishes. Now this, they sent me 5 gel polishes, and the first one, as you can see, was a reflective glitter gel. This is a reflective top coat gel, and this is one of their gel polishes. I don't know if you can see that color. It's like a maroon red. And this is a watercolor, most likely like a marble color, like to marble it out. And the last one is a matte eggshell color. Now I'm going to be using this plastic stand that you hold your nail tips on. Usually people do this for press-on nail tips. So I'm just going to take my full cover McCart nails and start swatching. And I'm going to start with this reflective glitter gel, and I'm going to place it on the middle finger and start swatching it. Next, I'm going to swatch this maroon color gel polish, and it was a little bit difficult opening, but I'm glad that all these polishes come with plastic, so it basically secures it and makes sure that there's no leaks, which is great. So here is this maroon gel polish, and it is so pretty. I feel like I received this one before. I'm not sure if it's the exact same one. I have to double check. But this gel polish goes easy on one coat, and you can see how opaque it is. It's really a beautiful color. So I highly recommend this gel polish. I love it so much. And let's see how, once I'm all done, the reflective glitter gel stands out. But so far, this gel polish looks great. So next is this matte eggshell polish, and at first I didn't know what to expect, but once I opened it up, then I realized, oh, this is the polish that has like these sprinkles in it, or like confetti in it. And so this is like a black confetti gel polish, and once it cures, it turns matte, which is really cool. So I like this one a lot. Definitely recommend it. Next, we have this reflective, basically it's a top coat. So I swatched it by itself just to see how it looks. And so it does have like glitter in it, and it's cool that it's like a glitter top coat. So basically what I'm thinking is that if you have like a light color or any color gel polish, I'm not sure if you can do it on a dark color, but you basically put this over the gel polish and then it becomes reflective, which is pretty cool. And now last, we have this watercolor, which is more of like a blooming gel. And what a blooming gel does, it basically like spreads out the gel polish that you put on top of it. So to make like marble design, it makes it so much easier. It spreads out the gel polish, and you'll see what I mean. I'm going to do it and show you how it works. So here I'm just taking my liner brush and just spreading it around to marbleize it basically. And then I'll add the other polishes and also do the same thing. And so you can see the little design that it makes.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts.
So this is how everything looks after one coat. Look at that matte eggshell, that is so cool. And then on the marble, I don't know if you can see, so some parts turn matte because of the eggshell that I put, which is pretty cool too. I thought it was a cool design. So, and look at how opaque that maroon red is. Oh man, it's so pretty. You don't really need a second coat, but I did anyway. And this is how the reflective gel looks after 2 coats. Look at that. Like, wow. And you can tell, look at the top coat also. It reflects too. So as I was saying before, you probably could just put that on top of the like the maroon color and then it would turn it reflective, which is pretty cool. So I highly recommend these guys. Born Pretty is very affordable gel polishes and great quality. And I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. I cannot wait to do another video, and I will see you guys next time.